Now we have to discuss some problems based on that previous discussion. Okay, this is the first problem, that is, in a circuit the voltage and current waves are represented as V 10 sin omega t plus 35 and current is what 10 sin omega t plus 170. Determine the phase relationship between voltage and current and what is the element we have to calculate. So, before solving the problem, first we have to check whether these two voltage and current are present in same manner, means whether they are in sign representation or cos representation. If those two are in different nature, we have to transform voltage or current into voltage or voltage into current manner. Okay. Here both are in which nature? Sign representation, no problem. Okay. Now, here V is equals to, it should be like V is equals to V m sin omega t plus phi, which is present in this form. No, here also current is equals to I m sin omega t plus phi, right. So, maximum value is what 10 10, V m is 10, I m is also 10, no problem. Forget about this maximum values, whether they are different or not, there is no problem at all. Okay. Then you have to check this phase display, this is plus 35 plus 170. Now, plus 35 plus 170. Now we have to get the current is equals to I is equals to what 10 sin omega t plus 35 plus 125 145. We have to write like this, no. 170 should be written like this, no. 35 plus 140, sorry, 125 only, sir, 135. Okay. 35 plus 135 is nothing but 170. So, this omega t plus 35 should be like this. Okay. Omega t plus 35 is not like this. So, the extra angle is nothing but 135. The extra angle is nothing but what? Determine the phase relationship between V and I. So, from 10 sin omega t plus 35, 10 sin omega t plus 35. From here to here, this is same, no? The extra angle is nothing but 135. Therefore, the phase between V and I is equals to phi is equals to 135 degrees. So, phase is there, that is 135. Then what is the element? Means whether it is inductor or capacitor, we have to calculate. See, here the current is was 10 sin omega t plus 35 plus 135 plus 135. Here what about voltage? 10 sin omega t plus 35, that is it. So, up to this portion, the same portion plus 135 is there, means what? Place leading, the extra angle is 135. When we are having this plus 135 in case of current, that is current leads voltage by 135. Current leads, that is current leads voltage by 135. Current leads voltage, in which case we are getting current leads voltage, obviously in case of capacitor circuit. Therefore, the element is capacitor. Like this, we have to analyze the circuit. If it is minus 135, current lags V by 135, means when we are getting lagging in case of inductive circuit, then the element is inductor. So, like this we have to analyze the circuit. So, the element is capacitor, the phase angle between this is nothing but 135. Next, the problem is given V is equal to 100 sin 314 t plus 45, here 10 sin 314 t minus 45. Find the phase angle and what is the element and calculate the element value. See, V is equals to 100 sin 314 plus 45. Current is equals to 10 sin 314 minus 45. So, magnitude there is no problem at all. This is current, this is voltage, sin both are same, 314 t plus 45 here, here minus 45. Then which one is leading, which one is lagging? Which one is leading, which one is lagging? Here voltage is plus, current is minus. So, voltage leads current by 45 degrees or current lags. So, from this, from the equations, which one is having negative sign? Current, no? From the equations, current lags V by how many angles? Minus 45, again see minus 45 to 0. What is the angle? 45 degrees. But again 0 to plus 45, 0 to plus 45. So, minus 45 to 0 we are having 45 degrees, again 0 to 45 plus 45 degrees we are having what? 45 degrees, total 90 degrees. No? To reach minus 45 to plus 45, that is, this for example, this is 0 degrees, this is minus 45, this is plus 45. What is the phase angle between these two? 90 degrees. No? To reach minus 45 to 0, 45 degrees, again 0 to 45 degrees, 45 degrees, total 90 degrees. So, from the equations, current lags V. Therefore, phase angle is nothing but what? 90 degrees. Current lags V by exactly 90 degrees. The element is what? Obviously, element, therefore, the element is what? Current lags V by 90. Lags means what? Current lags V by 90 degrees means what? The element is L, inductor, and we have to calculate the value. We have to calculate the value, inductor. The element is L. Then what is the value of this L? That is, we have frequency, no? We have formula, that is omega L is simply it is nothing, X L is equals to omega L, which is equals to 2 pi f L. Okay. Here X L is, from this we have to calculate the L, which is equals to X L by 2 pi f. Now, we have to calculate the value of this element, that is L. We have V m is equals to I m x L, which is equals to V m is equals to I m 2 pi f L. From this L is what? V m by I m 2 pi f, which is equals to, what is the value of V m? 100, no? This is what? V m 100 by, what is the value of maximum value of current? 10 into 2 into pi is nothing but 3.14. What is the value of f? 50 hertz, which is equals to 31.8 millihenry, which is equals to 31.8 millihenry we got. So, this is the value of L in case of this problem, that is 31.8 millihenry. Okay. Now, we have to look at this problem. What is the reactance of 2 Henry inductor? If it is inductor, obviously we have what? Inductive reactance. That is the meaning, no? 2 Henry inductor means what? Inductive reactance. Therefore, solution is equals to, therefore, inductive reactance, that is X L is equals to omega L. When at AC, at DC, therefore, at DC frequency is 0, no? So, therefore, X L is equals to 2 pi f L, which is equals to 0 ohms. F is 0. So, X L equals to 0. So, what about at 50 hertz? At 50 hertz, X L is equals to 2 into 3.14 into 50 into, what about the inductance value? 2, which is equals to what? 6.28, no? 100, 100, 100, 2 into 3.14 into 50 into 200, 200, so 628, 628 ohms, 628 ohms, right. So 100 into 200, so 314 into 200 is nothing but 628 ohms. Next, what is the reactance of capacitor? Is nothing but inductive capacitance, sorry, capacitive reactance, capacitive reactance, that is Xc, which is equals to 1 by omega c, is nothing but 2 pi f c, sorry, 1 by 2 pi f c. So, Xc is nothing but here at DC, at DC frequency is 0, no, which is 0, infinite. Second, at 100 hertz, X is what? 1 by 2 into 3.14 into 100 into C is what? 50 into 10 power minus 6, which is equals to 31.8 ohms, 31.8 ohms. So, like this we have to calculate.